Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix your iPhone screen moving by itself and how we can fix it. So if you're going through any kind of an issue, this is what you have to do. The first one of the reason why it's moving, you might be having any kind of liquid over there, or you might be having any kind of debris, or you might be having any kind of particles over there. That is one of the reason. So what you need to do is just need to use a cleaner, and you just need to use a cleaner and you have to spray it over here. Right now, on my other hand, I'm having a glass cleaner. So what I'm trying to do is I'm just go over here and I'm hold it right here, and I'm just trying to spray it over here like this. As you can see right now, I sprayed it, and once you sprayed it, what you need to do is you just need to use any kind of soft towel over here, something, or napkin, and what you need to do is you just need to properly do like this. You have to make sure that you properly wipe it off, and also what you need to do, just need to make sure that you clean it properly so no debris or any kind of things will be here. And once everything is properly cleaned on your display over here like this, you just need to go back and you just need to try to hold your phone, and you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. So this is the first and famous step you need to try, and that might work. Next one is all about you have to try with a force restart. Sometimes, like I always used to say, the force restart is going to help you a lot in many major issues. So what you need to do is just need to try it. So to do a force restart, what you need to do is just need to press the volume up followed by the volume down, and you have to press and hold the power button over here. You just need to use it properly. So what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to press the volume up followed by volume down, and I'm trying to use the power button over here like this. I just need to keep using this and just wait for a couple of seconds. So what happens is when you see the Apple logo, the moment you see the Apple logo over here in the screen, you just need to lift your finger from there on the power button. So right now the phone is on the force restart. So what happens is it is actually like giving a fresh start for your iPhone in most cases. So if you're going through any kind of this issue, it's going to definitely fix up. So what you need to do is just wait patiently so that your phone will be restart. And you have to check whether your screen is having selfly or the screen is moving by itself, whether any kind of an issue. Over here you just need to give the passcode and you have to properly check it. You can just check it over here, you can keep it on your table and just wait whether it's moving or not. Or something apart from this, what you need to do is still there is an issue. It might be an issue with the software update. For that reason, what you need to do is just need to go over here, tap on the settings. Now after that, you have to scroll it down and tap on the general and go to the software update over here, and you have to check if you're having any kind of software update, or if you're in an older version, so definitely you'll be having a lot of English. So make sure that you update your software to the latest version as well. And also parallelly, make sure if you're having any kind of dust particles or any kind of things, you have to just make sure that you properly did it. That is the first step, is going to save you a lot. And don't forget to subscribe if you find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.